My name is Jill, and I'd like to show you the closet that I had designed by the St. Louis Closet Company. Lori Johnson was my designer, and she did a fabulous job. I'm a crafter, and I collect buttons, so it's a closet that I use for all of those items. I had one whole, the center section, just of shelves. I had the two outer sections, which I'll show you, half shelves and drawers. The drawers are beautiful. They are the soft closed drawer, so they're never slamming. One particular item I just really love about the St. Louis Closet Company is they utilize every section of your closet. You don't lose any space. For instance, I collect different types of buttons, and on the very, very top, there's a shelf that houses all my different buttons. It's a nice feeling when you can open your closet and have everything so organized.